In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Square appointments to Squarespace. We're going to embed your Square appointments booking widget directly onto a page in your Squarespace site, then tidy up by removing an extra embed block on a separate page. By the end, you'll have a clean, working booking experience your visitors can use without leaving your site. Start by opening your Squarespace account dashboard. From there, click Go to Website to enter your site's editor. Once you're in, open the website menu and head to Pages. This is where you'll choose where the booking widget should live. Pick the page that makes the most sense for visitors. Often that's a dedicated Book Now or Appointments page, but you can place it anywhere you'd like. With the page selected, click Edit so you can add content to the layout. Within the editor, choose a section where you want the booking tool to appear and add a new content block. Select the option to add a code block. If you also see an embed option available, choose Embed for a cleaner, more streamlined placement. After inserting it, click to edit the new embed block so you can control exactly what goes in. Open the code snippet area to view the code field, then switch to the embed data panel if you're prompted. You'll see an option to add code. Go ahead and open that so the field is ready for your booking widget. Now switch over to your Square Appointments dashboard. Navigate to the booking settings area, then open the advanced sharing options. Look for the widget code section and open it. Square will display a snippet that's designed to embed your booking flow on external websites like Squarespace. Copy the full widget code shown on this page. It's important to grab everything provided so the widget loads correctly. Head back to your Squarespace editor with the embed block still open. Click Add Code if needed, and paste the content you copied from Square into the field. If your Square setup provides a direct booking link instead of a script, paste that link here. The embed block will interpret it and display the booking experience. When you're done pasting, save your changes on the page. Then exit the page editor to return to the main view. At this point, your Square Appointments widget should be embedded on your chosen page. Next, navigate to the page labeled Cookie, or whichever page in your site matches that name in your setup. Open it and click Edit to access its content. Find the existing embed block on this page. It may be a leftover placeholder or a duplicate. Click it to select it, then click the trash icon to remove it. This keeps your site clean and avoids unexpected embeds on pages that don't need them. After deleting the block, save your changes on the page. Finally, exit the editor to return to your site's dashboard. A few quick tips to wrap up. After saving, preview your live page to make sure the booking widget loads and is interactive. If you don't see it, double check that the code was pasted fully and that you're using the correct block. Some templates cache aggressively, so a quick refresh or a private window can help verify. If your plan or permissions limit custom code, you may need to adjust settings or upgrade to enable code and embed blocks. And if you ever need to move the booking widget, simply reopen the page, drag the block to a new spot, and save again. That's it. Your Square Appointments booking experience is now added to Squarespace and your pages are cleaned up. Thanks for watching and happy building.